In this video, I'll show you how to clone a GitHub repository. To clone a GitHub repository, you must already have a repository on GitHub. Next, create a folder on your local drive where you want to clone the repository. You can create this folder on any drive and name it whatever you want. In my case, I'm creating a folder named Git. Open the folder and copy its path. Now open Git Bash. In Git Bash, navigate to the folder where you want to clone the repository. Type cd space and paste the folder path within quotation marks. Then press Enter. You are now inside the folder where the repository will be cloned. Now open your web browser and log into your GitHub account. Open the repository you want to clone. In my case, I'm using a sample repository. Once the repository is open, click on the Code button. From the options, make sure HTTPS is selected. Now click the copy icon to copy the repository URL. After copying the URL, minimize the browser. Next, type git space clone space and paste the repository URL you copied earlier within quotation marks, then press Enter. Git will start cloning the repository. Once the process is complete, you'll see a completion message saying Done. Now go back to the folder you created on your drive. Inside it, you'll see a new folder with a repository name. Open it and you'll find all the files from the GitHub repository. That's how you clone a GitHub repository using Git Bash. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.